Not that long ago, this is what this kitchen looked like. So I traveled to North Carolina to visit our very good friends to design and build a kitchen island for them that can keep up with the needs of their growing family. So to give them the upgrade of their dreams, I tore into the old cabinets and installed a trash cabinet to replace their standalone trash can. I also had to move some electric wires around to make some room for these shelves and cabinets that I built to support a much larger quartz countertop that they ordered. My goal was to keep most of the existing framework and cabinets near the sink to match the rest of the kitchen, but to create a warmer and more homey space, I decided to make the cabinets out of wood so I can stain the entire piece with a medium tone wood stain, which also added some contrast to the new white quartz countertops. I had about a week to finish this project because we had to get back to working on our own home, and the main challenge was working around the existing countertop, and it wasn't until now that I was finally able to come back to completely finish a project by tacking on the final piece and see the new countertop in place. And seeing this become one of the most beautiful kitchens to match the growing needs for the sweetest family makes it all worth it. And there's Gabby in the kitchen like she owns the place. It's not yours, Gabby.